we're going to read the story, Sam in Class. Make sure to use your good reader finger and touch the words as you read them. Sam in Class. Sam sits in Miss Mack's class. The kids will print till class ends. Then the bell will ring. Sam will run and jump in the pond. Miss Mack has the class print. The kids print black cat. Miss Mack checks Sam's print. That's a mess, quips Miss Mack. Fix it. The bell rings. Sam jumps up and grabs his bag. Miss Mack tells Sam, sit and print. Sam sits and prints. Will Miss Mack let him swim? Sam can't tell. Miss Mack tells Sam, print one last thing. Print, splash in the pond. Sam grins at Miss Mack. Miss Mack grins back at him. Sam prints, splash in the pond. Then Miss Mack sends him off. Sam yells, Miss Mack is the best. Good. Let's go back so you can read it. Remember, if I turn the pages too fast, you can always pause your video. Go ahead and read the story, Sam in Class. Great job reading Sam in Class.